In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a Clickup API token. Whether you're diving into Clickup for project management or looking to integrate it with other applications, an API token is essential for enabling seamless communication between Clickup and other software tools you might be using. Let's walk through this process step by step so you can get up and running without any hassle. To get started, you'll want to make sure you're logged into your Clickup account. If you aren't already, simply open your browser, navigate to the Clickup website, and enter your login credentials. Once you're in, head over to the bottom left corner of your screen. You should see your profile picture or avatar, easily identifiable in this location. Click on it, and a menu will appear. Here, you'll find a section labeled Apps, which serves as the gateway to your profile settings and integrations. After you've clicked on Apps, you will find yourself in a section that's tailored specifically for integrations and extensions relating to Clickup. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the various options. Now, look for the API Tokens tab. Clicking on this tab will direct you to the right page, where you can generate a new token. This token is what serves as your unique key to access Clickup API. Now, it's time to create your API token. Look for the button that allows you to generate a new token. This is often labeled clearly, something like Generate API Token. Click on it. In the blink of an eye, Clickup will create a new token just for you. It's essential to keep this token secure, as it grants access to your Clickup data and operations. You'll notice there's a copy button right next to it for your convenience. Be sure to copy the token and save it in a secure place, perhaps in a password manager or secure note application that you trust implicitly. If you ever need to delete a token, maybe because it's been compromised or you no longer need it, you can do so from the same API Tokens page. Simply find the token you wish to remove and look for a delete option. Clearly labeled, this option will help you manage your tokens efficiently, ensuring your Clickup environment remains secure and tidy. And there you go! You now know how to generate and manage your Clickup API tokens. Remember, having these tokens allows you to expand the functionalities of your Clickup account by integrating it with other powerful tools, optimizing your project management tasks. Be sure to keep it safe, and happy coding or managing, whatever you might be diving into. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing to the channel for more tips and guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.